Okay, Lab 8 is your monitor. You've been asked to collect events and performance counters from virtual machines with Azure Monitor Agent. So this can be 4 exercises: deploy Azure virtual machine, create log analytics workspace, create Azure storage account, create a data collection rule. Okay, I wonder what the rule will be. So yeah, let's first PowerShell create storage. It's actually the resource group. And as you can see, it's going to Intel Lab 13, 14, 15. So even though this is Lab 8, it's going to be part 1 of 3 for Lab 9 and Lab 10 as well. Okay, that's loaded. Let's create the resource group first. Great. And if we just reload that, should see the group here. Alright. Next, we need to enable encryption at host. Okay. For those that don't know, when you enable encryption at host, data stored on the VM host is encrypted at rest and also at flow. It's encrypted to the storage service. Yeah, now to create the virtual machine within the resource group, I'm gonna name it my VM, location East US, virtual network is gonna be my VNet, subnet my subnet, security group it's gonna be security group, IP address name is the same, standard unit, ports open are going to be ATN 3389, size is going to be standard, data storage 1 version 2. Okay, so for the credentials we can use the local admin and then the previous password that we used. I don't actually remember that password, so I'm going to use a simple one. Okay, the supplied password must be between 8 to 123 characters and must contains uppercase, lowercase, numeric, digit, special character. Okay, I can just add hash. Is hash not allowed? We'll meet. So we'll do that. And then we'll run that again. Local admin. Okay, great, that's done, and we can validate that with get VM name, my VM within the resource group, and format it as a table. And there we go. Provisioning state succeed. Now we need to create the log analytics workspace within the resource group. We can give it any name and the region US. Okay, create. We'll go with that. Is it globally unique? Yeah. My log analytics workspace. Yep, so that's created. Now we need to create the Azure storage account. While that deploys, what's the requirements for these? Okay, same resource name, globally unique within my storage account 1. Wow, no space, and that's not how you spell storage. Field can contain only lowercase. Okay, I should have remembered that from using it on Terraform. 162, that's taken. Okay, it's not primary service. They want me to specify. Nope, I'm guessing I don't change that. It's just performance and redundancy. Standard, local. Was there anything next? Okay, so I could just review and create it from that. This is interesting. Storage region. Go back. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is a little bit out of date if there's no primary service. And now we need to create the data collection rule. Once we've created this, we will need monitor and create data collection rule in Azure. Monitor, on monitor settings, click data collection rules, and then on the basics tab we can use these following setting. Okay, create should be DC1 data collection rule 1 within the specified group. Should be Windows, platform Windows, data collection endpoint. We have no specific endpoint for it, we'll leave it blank. Next, resources. Okay, so on the resources we add resources and should be add in, here we go. Do we add the whole group or just do we add the subscription or just a resource group? I'm assuming it's the resource group because we don't plan to actually create anything else or any other resource groups. So we'll apply that. You can double check it here. Yep. I guess we need to specify the data source, performance counter, everything 60, which is basic, and next to destination. Yeah, destination we want it to is Azure monitor logs, which is in the subscription 1 and it's in the log analytics workspace. Add data source. We've confirmed that. Data source bottom. Yeah, we could just create that there. Okay, great. That's done now. We can, yeah, let's just double check the resource group. Alright, data collection rule, log analytics, network security group, storage account, this virtual network. Alright, so that's all created. We can move on to the next lab. We're not shutting these down because we need them for the next 2 labs as well.